Hi guys, morning. This is Timothy for those ones who are new. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My last video was about Google Translate and we saw a lot of things there. If you have missed that part, please go to my channel, get the video and watch. There are a lot of things for you to learn from that video. Today we are going to talk about another Google application, and that is Google Drive. Before we go there, I want to ask a question. So, did you know that you can store your files in Google, like online? If you don't know, I have an answer for you, and the answer you get is by watching this video. You get all the answers you want. So, what is Google Google Drive? Google Drive is simply an application that allows you to store your file or upload your file or share your file online with other people. Google Drive gives you a storage limit which is 15 GB free. You see, it is a lot, eh? So this 15 GB allows you to upload your files there, and this also in turn allows you to access these files with any device. As long as you have an active email working, you can log into someone's device or your own device, and then you can access this file. That's so interesting, isn't it? So let's see how we can do this. You need to have a very good internet connection, and yeah, after having a very good internet connection, please, you can use any browser. There's a for us, we're going to use yes. So you can use Google Chrome. And then in Google Chrome, you go to Google Drive. So I've already opened my Google Drive. You can see here in the screen. It has a lot of the features here. We are going to look at them. Let's start by saying, for example, I want to like form a file or create a file, a new file in Google Chrome. How do you do that? You can simply come to your left upper corner here where you get this plus sign with new. That's where you're going to click, and once you click, there's this option here, that new file. Let's say new file. You click there, and then you can write any file you want. I mean the name of the file. You can say your file, you want your file to be named what? Document 1, for example. And then after that, after putting that, you create, and then by creating, you have created a new file. And then also, like, another question will be like, how do I upload or how do I store my files here? You can simply store your files here by coming to the new sign here. You click, and then after clicking, you get the environment options here. You have this option of what? File upload or folder upload. If you want to upload a folder, you click there. But if you want to upload just a single file, you can come and click file upload. So after clicking, it will bring for you. It will go to your internal storage, and from there you have an option to select, like if my file that I want to upload is found in my desktop, I can open it. You see, there are very many things here. Now from here, I can simply go to that very file that I want to upload, and then I click, and then it will upload the file straight to Google Drive. You see, this is very simple. As well, you can do the same to the folder. And then another thing I would like to do here is, any file you have here, you can share with your loved ones. Like for example, let's say you're in a workshop and you've been doing presentation and people want to want to have access to the file you've been presenting from, and let's say you have stored this file in a Google Drive, so you just come to share with what? Share with people. You select the type of file you want. Is it in form of PDF or any, or it could be an image? Okay, you select, or it could be even an audio, you see, or drawings or whatever. You select, and then you come and see the people you like to share the files with. First, you need to select the email address you like to use. After selecting, you get the link of those people or the link of anyone you like to share the file with, and then you just click and you send. And then another feature here you can, which is of good use to you, is like, for example, if you have stored very many files and it's very hectic for you to check, you can just come here to this search box, which is sites in Drive. You click there and then you type the name of the file you are looking for. It will automatically bring for you the file, and you'll be in position to either share or maybe to use the file. And so for my case, like, I have two files which I've already stored in my Google, and this is very important. And then another information I want to give here is Google Drive gives us free storage of up to 15 GB, and this 15 GB you can, meaning there are a lot of files for you to actually store here. And at the end, if you think this space is very small for you, you can as well buy more space, like more GB in this drive. Otherwise, Google gives 15 GB free for you to store your files. And this actually, by storing your file here, it safeguards your file. It makes your file so safe that even you can get this file once you have lost your device, let's say your phone or your PC. Just remember the email address. You put in your email address in a new device, and then you access your Google Drive. You get all these files there. Thanks so much for watching this video. My next video will come with its topic. Please share this video with your loved one, comment, like. Bye.